This video will show you how to install node.js and how to get started with a Hello World example. Head over to node.js.org and download a version. I went for 12.11.1 and start the installation when the download is done. Let's make your Hello World project. Create a new folder and open a terminal in that folder. Check that node and npm is in your path by typing node-v and npm-v. To initialize a project, run the command npm init and run through the simple guide. Now open your project in a code editor and have a look at your package.json. Remove the test in the script block and add start with the value node source / index. And let's create our index.js in the source folder. In our file, let's write console.log and have it write out hello world. To run the code, open a terminal in the project folder and run the command npm start that we wrote earlier.